Hello, this is Han with the Point Honors. This is a Master Week. Look at my shirt. Oh, I actually have my Master shirt, but I didn't wear. But today's a rainy day in Atlanta. You don't know what to do, right? Like, you cannot go out, you cannot go to the park, cannot go to the trail. Go to the gym is boring, right? Too many people, too much hustle, right? So I want to show you a place in Duluth, Georgia that is an indoor golf range, right? It has a Trackman equipped on site. A little bit about Trackman is a launch monitor device that give you pretty much all the data you need for your golf swing. And then, in order to have something like that at home, the device itself, I think it's around 19 or 20,000. And in addition, you had to have the space for it. You got to buy other equipment that comes with it. So easily, if I last time a friend of mine down there had their office is spent around $60,000. I don't know about you, but most people don't have $60,000 to spend for leisure. But here, you can go, and it's not that expensive at all. They have a different package you can use. The one of the most popular is come as you play. It's $40 per player for 1 hour. But we'll go in more detail about that, and let's go see what the place look like.